My name is Peter and I'm from Northern California, and I had for many years missing molars due to abscesses due to failed root canals, initially caused by a terrible dentist in California when I was a little kid. Over time I had all those removed to save my life because of the abscesses, and had to wait many years until I could somehow get them replaced. And after looking around in the United States, it was so expensive to get the full mouth restoration done, I couldn't afford to do it. I researched all over the world to find the best place for me to get my teeth done, and finally decided on Goodness Dental in Costa Rica. They have been wonderful. Good people, great place, beautiful clean office, and just very, very friendly people. I spent 6 months with temporary teeth, which allowed my gums to the inflammation to go away, so that when the new ones went in, there was not a big space, which you'll experience in the United States with the 24-hour new teeth. Don't do that. Here, they allow 6 months for the gums to heal, and you get your new teeth, and mine came out absolutely beautiful. See? I would recommend it highly, Goodness Dental, to anyone. Also, the other place I dealt with in Costa Rica, they only had a 1-year warranty on the implants, but Goodness Dental has a lifetime warranty on their implants, which is really a good thing. So I suggest you go here.